Now we'll see message box class in a Windows application with C#. Message box class has an overloaded static show method that displays a message box with a message and its action button. The action buttons can be OK and cancel, yes or no, etc. There are different types of message boxes in .NET. First is simple message box. It is the simplest form of message box, which consists a dialog with text and OK button. When you click the OK button, the box disappears. The following code creates a simple message box. First, we will declare a message with simple message box, and then we will write just messagebox.show. It will display this type of message box. Next is message box with title. This type of message box is a dialog with the title, text and OK button. When you click OK button, the box disappears. The following code creates a simple message box with title. First we will declare a message, then a title, and in message box show method we will give these parameters message and title. It will define title on the top of the box and the message here and OK button. Next is message box with button. A message box can have different button combinations such as yes, no, OK, cancel. These message box buttons represents the buttons to be displayed on a message box and has following values: just OK or OK and cancel, abort, retry and ignore, yes, no and cancel, yes, no or retry, cancel. This is a typical message box you may call when you want to close an application. If yes button is clicked, the application will be closed. The show method returns a dialog result, that is which button is pressed. The following code defines a message box with title and yes no button. First we will declare a message with do you want to close this window. Then I will define a title and I will define buttons as a message box buttons dot yes no. Depend on the result, it will perform the actions. That is, if the result is yes, the form is closed, else the conditions that you are going to execute. After executing this code, you will get this. Title will be close window, message will be do you want to close this window, and with two buttons yes or no. If you clicked on yes, it will close the form, and if you click no, it will perform the actions that you have written here. Next is message box with icon. A message box can display an icon with a dialog box. A message box icon represents an icon to be displayed on message box and has following values: none, that is no icon is displayed, then hand, question, exclamation, asterisk, stop, error, warning and information. To display a message box with icon and with yes no buttons, we will use this code. We will define a message, then we will define a title, then we will define buttons as abort, retry and ignore, and we will call the message box dot show method in result. Since depend on the result value, we are going to execute the code. So if result will be abort, it will close the application, else if result will be retry, it will perform the actions defined after this, and else it will perform another actions. So after executing this code, you will get this close window, this is the warning icon, and three methods: abort, retry and ignore. Next is message box with default button. We can also set a default button on a message box. By default, the first button is a default button. Default button means which will be executed if you press the enter key. The message box default button is used for this purpose and it has following three values: button 1, button 2 and button 3. Following code creates a message box with title, buttons, an icon and sets the second button as a default button. For this we will define a message, then a title. We'll set the buttons as abort, retry and ignore. And in result we will call a message box with message, title, buttons, message box icon as a warning and default button is set to button 2. It will define this. Next we will see message box options. Message box options represent various options and has the following values: service notification, default desktop only, write align and write reading. The following code creates a message box with these options. First we will define a message, then we will create a title, we will create a buttons with abort, retry and ignore, and in result we will call the message box method with message box, title, buttons with warning icon. We will set the default button to button 2. The icon will be at right side and the title will be also at right side. So when you execute you will get this output. The default button is retry, which is the second button, the message, the icon at right side and the title is also at right side. You can have an extra button called help button with message box, which is useful when we need to display a help file. The following code creates a message box with help button. First is message, then title. We'll declare a buttons as abort, retry and ignore. And with message box dot show method, we will add another button which is a help.